Hello everyone, this is Mamta from CAD NEST Nagar. In this class, we are going to learn creation of window. First, we take the one rectangle and draw the rectangular of a door dimension. Specify the length of rectangular will be 5 feet and then width will be 4 feet. This is the standard. After that, give some offset. I will give 2 inches for offset and take the line and draw the line at midpoint. After that, give 1 inch offset for both sides like this. After that, trim off this portion and extrude by using the press pull command. Select the press pull command and select the object and give 2 inch offset and select the inner face. Extrude at a height of 1 inch. This is for the simple window design. Suppose if you want rail-like structure, can use the sweep command and also use the revolve command. By using these command, we can create the designs. This is for the simple window design. Thank you. For more video, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.